All right, guess what? It's another episode of Judging a Book by its Cover with Joanna. We're going to open up this box of books and see what we get and judge them accordingly. All right, more paperwork. Oh, no. More brown paper. Get off me. All right. Is that all? All right. Number one, Tom Clancy book. A Jack Ryan novel. This man's been dead for 12 years, but he keeps cranking out books. Defense Protocol. I have to say, I kind of like the cover. Looks interesting. That's definitely a Jack Ryan picture, so we're going to call this one a yes. We like it. We like the cover, Tom, or whoever is writing for you. Ooh, Ghosts of Waikiki. Captures the vibrancy of the islands in a way rarely seen in genre fiction. Nice sunset on the beach there with some palm trees, purples. I like it. Yeah, we'll give this one a go. We'll give this one a yes. We like the colors and the palm trees. Oh, we're staying in our purple theme. This is Wings of Fire, Winter Turning, about dragons. This is a kid's book, so we're gonna be nice because it's a children's book, but I do love the dragon. I'm not gonna lie. I like the ice dragon. Nice colors, purples, blues. We're gonna make this, we'll say yes to this. We like a good dragon on a cover. Oh, here we go. Ooh, Foreboding Gray. I Must Betray You, with a nice gray cover, smoky cover. Some sort of weird building in the background. Is he going to betray us in the building? Who knows? We have to read the book to find out. All right, I like it. We'll take it. We like a nice foreboding cover on a book. Raised by a Serial Killer. Discovering the truth about my father, who was a serial killer, evidently. That must be her as a baby. I like it. Nice family picture with the headlines ripped out. I like it's a different cover. You'll see what I mean. We have a couple books probably we'll run into with the same kind of font. I like it. I like this cover. It makes me want to read Who Doesn't Love a Good Serial Killer story. So, all right, we've got a big yes pile. That's a yes. Oh, The Spiffy Screw. It's a children's book. We're going to leave it there. We're just going to set that right there. Nice cover. Nice sciencey cover. Go STEM. We love it. All right, here's what I'm talking about. Look at this font. This is on every single book. Designs on You. He's a committed bachelor. She's sworn off relationships. But we're going to stand back to back and not look at each other. I don't know. I'm so tired of this font. Everything looks like this. Come on, JC. Get your people an iPad or iColor, something, some other font. We're going to say no to this because it looks like every other rom-com book out there. Oh, James Patterson. Have you heard of James Patterson? He's not very well known. You might not have heard of James Patterson, but Raised by Wolves. I got a lot to say about James Patterson. We're going to set him right there in his own special pile. Oh, wow. Another James Patterson book. Murder Island. Murder. I can't with James Patterson. He's going to go in his pile. James Patterson. Lies he told me about Murder Island, where I was raised by wolves. They all flow together. No, James, we can't. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll sit over there. Oh, how appropriate for after James Patterson. P.S. I hate you. I love the cover though. Look at the colors. That's a fun looks. The post office is involved. Is that the P.S.? I don't know. Stamps, travel, nice colors. Oh, guy up here, girl down here. You know they're going to get together. All right, we're going to make this a yes. This is a yes. It's going in our yes pile. So, yes, no, James Patterson. The other two, nah, not too bad. All right, that was it for this week. Join us again when we judge a book by its cover. Bye.